Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Step 3. The core for the very center of your rubber band ball. Take either one large rubber band, or several smaller rubber bands. Personally, I prefer the larger rubber band, as it holds together much better than the small ones. Wrap it around and around so it forms a shape close to a ball.
Take our lead.
Pretty much all golf balls fall into one of two categories. Wound balls have a rubber or sometimes liquid core surrounded by strips of rubber that look something like a rubber band. This is encased with the classic hard dimpled shell. Non-wound balls have a similar design but feature a solid core.
Let's help you make your mark.
Collecting the 75 rubber bands scattered throughout the game world will unlock an additional weapon for Jimmy's inventory, the rubber band ball. When you pass Geography Class Number 2 in Scholarship Edition, you unlock all the locations on your map. 15 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Begin to shape your rubber band ball by stretching rubber bands around it. Use small rubber bands at first because of the small size of your rubber band ball. Wrap the rubber band wad in different directions until your wad of rubber bands begins to look round. Use larger rubber bands as your ball begins to grow. 22 October 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
The height a rubber band ball, or any other ball, bounces has to do with the elasticity of the collision between the ball and the floor. The closer a collision is to being perfectly elastic, the higher the ball will bounce. 28 February 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.